Good morning, student. Now see page number 9.66, question number 2. On 1st April 2015, the position of Mr. Desai was as follows: cash 22,400, debtors 1,20,000, stock 1,50,000, building 2 lakhs, machinery 1,45,000, sundry creditors 80,200. Creditors is the liabilities. Keep in mind, bank credit. So this is also bank overdraft credit item. This is also liabilities 32,200, and bill payable 5,000. This is also liabilities. Past necessary entries, opening entry. So in the opening entry, already we have discussed in the journal lesson. At the time of opening entry, we pass all the assets account debit to liabilities account to capital account. So we will make the debit all the assets, and we will make credit to liabilities and make credit to capital. So we will pass the entry cash account debit like such. We will write cash account debit. That amount is 22,400. Debtors account debit, and amount of debtor is 1,20,000, and stock account debit, and amount of stock is 1,50,000, and building account debit, that amount is 2 lakhs, machinery account debit, and amount of machinery will be 1,45,000. Sundry creditors. So to creditors account, amount of creditor is 80,200, and bank overdraft, to bank overdraft account, bank overdraft is given 32,200, and bill payable account, bill payable is the 5,000. Now you will calculate the difference, that is called to capital account. You will make total of debit. You will make the total of this. And make the total of credit. Now this is the total of debit, and this is the total of credit, and difference will be called capital. So difference 5,20,000. This is called capital. So this is the opening entry. In the case of opening entry, when you will open the ledger, then how you will record? Suppose you are going to open the cash account. This is the debit and this is the credit. So in case of opening entry, here cash is the debit. So debit side you will write to balance BD and amount of cash 22,400. Now, suppose you are going to open the debtors account.
खाना बन गया?
So when you will draw the debtors account, keep this in mind. Debtor is the debit, so debit side you will write to balance BD and amount of debtor 1,20,000. Same you will write the stock account to balance BD 150, building account to balance BD 2 lakhs, machinery account to balance BD 1,45,000. So same you will write. Now, see in the case of creditors, when you will draw creditors account, here creditors is the credit, so credit side you will write by balance BD and amount of creditor is 80,200. Same if you write to bank overdraft, so this is also the credit term. So credit side you will write by balance BD and overdraft amount is the 32,200. So when you will draw bill payable account, you will write by balance BD 5,000. You will write capital account by balance BD 5,20,000. So like such you will open the account. Okay, thank you.